The overhead fluorescent fixtures were manufactured by Illuminator and installed on all subway cars from 1949 to 1965. Before some of these cars were eventually scrapped, New York City Transit salvaged some of the glassware from the fixtures, though the original glassware manufacturer is unknown. The recovered glass pieces were later reused on newly installed fluorescent bases as part of Times Square Station and 4750 Street's Rockefeller Center station upgrades. So the next time you're walking, or rushing, through the 42 Street Times Square Station or 4750 Street's Rockefeller Center station complex, look up. You'll spot a small piece of SMEE Redbird history still shining above you.